Most people get this wrong. They assume Fundito is just another quick cash app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Fundito has evolved into a full-featured financial platform that helps you access earned wages early, split payments into manageable installments, and even track your spending all in one place. Here's how Fundito works. First, it allows you to access a portion of your wages before payday, often within hours. This can help cover unexpected bills, urgent expenses, or emergency situations without resorting to high-interest loans. Second, Fundito lets you split eligible purchases into small, predictable installments. This is a game changer for budgeting because it removes the stress of paying for larger purchases all at once. Fundito also comes with a user-friendly dashboard that tracks your advances, upcoming payments, and spending patterns. Notifications and alerts ensure you never miss a repayment, which is crucial for avoiding late fees and maintaining financial control. The downside, overusing Fundito can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up quickly, and depending too heavily on the app might mask underlying financial challenges. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installment plans you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments to avoid surprises. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on Fundito. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or per repayment habits may end up paying more than they save. In conclusion, Fundito in 2026 is a convenient and flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Plan your repayments carefully, track your fees, and treat Fundito as a short-term solution rather than a long-term crutch. Subscribe for more honest reviews and actionable financial tips that help you stay in control of your money.